Hi everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Carmi. I'm back with week 4 of Gratitude Collab, our cozy gatherings hosted by Creating with Jovi and Cindy A. Lewis. Again, a big thank you, ladies. Please make sure to check out the channels. These are the collaborators. Do the channel hop and check out what they have shared. It has been so inspiring. And if you're curious and want to see the kits that Jovi and Cindy are offering, I will link them down below. It has been so much fun. I have been so busy and also planning for an upcoming trip, so these weekly prompts have been very helpful. So if you're looking for something that is easy to follow, then definitely do the weekly prompts. And if you want to do something on a daily basis, make sure to also check out Cindy's 50. I think she has 50 prompts that she has shared with us. So this week's prompt is, what makes your mornings brighter? In my 20s, I was a night owl. I was battling with insomnia, and I'm sure it had to do with a lot of stress, dealing with adulting, if you will. But as I've grown and matured, and my life experiences have definitely shown me the beauty in mornings. What a beautiful way to start up anew. And so for my mornings, a wonderful stretch in the morning definitely gets that blood flowing and makes my mornings brighter. And also getting our morning messages with my mom and my sisters. We have our family chat and getting a greeting from them. Checking in on each other before we start the day is a wonderful way to start, and I love that. Now I wanted to show you the first page layout that I have here in this beautiful journal that Jovi has made for me. These were 2 blank pages, so I decided to decorate them. I matted it with some Stamperia paper. This is on the flip side first. This was a beautiful tag. I believe BB's Closet Creations had gifted me, and I had simply decorated it with a little phrase, a little fabric pull. One of my favorite things to do first thing in the morning as well is to take my morning walk, and I have a wonderful companion with my dog Finn, so we take a good 20 minutes to a half hour walk at the park, and we look around, enjoy the scenery, and look at the birds and the trees and nature. So it says never stop looking up. Not only that, looking at the beautiful sky, and then also looking at the sunrise and the sun. It's a beautiful way to brighten up your day and just get your energy levels up and ready to go for the day. On the flip side of this tag, I have decorated it with a little teacup. I love starting the day with a warm cup of tea, usually an Earl Grey or some kind of dark tea, and if not, a really good cup of black coffee. Then we have a little birdie sitting on that beautiful little teacup. In the background, I just have this sheet that I had matted, and it says enjoy the moment. So I usually will catch up on emails, and if I can avoid it, I just sit quietly outside in our backyard. I set out the bird seeds for my the birds, the wild birds like the sparrows and the mourning doves, and I just sip my coffee watching them have their morning breakfast with me. So I enjoy that moment. We have a little faux wax seal here from Daiso, and it's a rose. So I just love it. So I've decorated that. I've created a couple pages here. So that's a little belly band using our trim. And then on this flip side, I'll show you this part first. This beautiful laced windowed pocket was an altered envelope that was sent to me by Lori from Petey Pie Designs. So I thought I would use it here. And this beautiful embellishment was also from a swap that I did with Kawaii Memo Love. That's Christine's channel. She makes the most amazing ephemera and embellishments, and I just love what it says. And then decorated with some trim. And then I have a journaling card. Inside, there's some butterflies that Lori had put in there. I thought it was so pretty. This is a card and it says, "Why, hello, sunshine." So I made this. This was just a Target card and decorated it with some of these stickers and ephemera that Cornflower Crafts had gifted to me a few summers ago, but I thought this would be a wonderful card to write in some of my thoughts. And then inside also did some of our stickers here with that cute gnome. And I love it. So I'm going to be writing in that. So if you're curious to see what Corin makes, she makes the most beautiful gnomes, journals, craft with me projects. Make sure to check out her channel as well. So I love this. So in our last page layout is this piece. Jovi had included this beautiful sunroom image of this beautiful girl just enjoying her moment. And it says, I just added this vellum sticker that says, "Enjoy the little things." And I am just in love with this page as well. She put this, that's so pretty. But that is my final page layout for the month of November, our gratitude collab. I am super thankful for, yes, the morning sunrise, my nature walk, and hearing from my sister and my mom, and even friends that say hello on occasion, say good morning or have a great day. That just brightens up my day. And getting a hug from my daughter, Emmy, before I drop her off school also brightens up my day. I would love to hear what brightens up your day. Comment down below and let me know how you started. Again, thanks again for watching. Do the channel hop, and I will see you soon. Bye.